Just give me 1% of your trust and I'll be sure to gain the other 99. Gaining a client's trust is so vital to obtain before starting an eyebrow service. Unfortunately, a lot of people struggle with gaining that client's trust before going into the procedure. The quick and sure way to gain a client's trust before doing her eyebrows is to have a proper consultation. Now, during the Inga Bailey Brows curriculum, I will show you how to properly gain a client's trust during an immaculate consultation. But right now, I'm going to give you a few tips on how to lead your clients into trusting you. First, listen. Listen to your client's needs, what it is about their brows that they love, and also what it is about their brows that they may not love so much. This is a time where you just let your clients talk to you. This is not the time for you to put on your expert hat. Right now, you are the eyebrow therapist, and you're listening to her needs. You also want to make sure that you're asking questions as if what they had done to their brows before, what is their regular eyebrow routine like, what are they normally doing, and again, asking those questions about what they love about their brows and where they see their brows, those brow goals. Second, after you've listened to your client, now you want to educate your client. This is where you lay the client back and you give a full-on consultation. You're educating your client about their brows, what you see about their brows. You're mapping and you're measuring them out. You're telling the client what you see as an expert. Now is the time to put that expert hat on and tell your client all that you see. You almost want to over-educate, basically answering those clients' questions that they had during that therapy session in the beginning when you're listening to them, answering those questions during the education piece and making sure that you've answered those questions and then some. Let them know everything you see about their eyebrows and what you're going to do to get them to their brow goals. The next step is something that you may not have to do, but you really still want to do. You want to ask if they have any further questions. Now, if you did the second step properly, they really shouldn't have any other questions. They should really hand you the mirror and be ready to take a nap and enjoy the experience. But you still want to open that door of communication just in case there's something else that's lingering. You want to make sure that you can answer all their questions before you go into the next step. Now, the next and final step is going to be the step that's going to determine whether or not that client is going to continue to trust you after the service. This is where you deliver. You want to deliver everything it is that you told that client you would do for her brows. You want to make sure that you're giving the greatest service. You're making that client feel comfortable and you're making their brows transform. If you deliver properly, your clients will trust you from then on out. And you won't ever have to worry about a client feeling nervous in your chair. Be sure to join me during my masterclass to learn more about leading your clients into trusting you and many other topics to help you transition from just an eyebrow artist to an eyebrow expert. Please visit my website for more information on classes, www.ingabaileyBrows.com. If you have any further questions, feel free to email me, inga@ingabaileyBrows.com. Hope to see you in class. Have a great brow day. Bye-bye.